Buenos dias mga kasangkayan, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will do pumps maintenance with shaft close alignment. But before of that, after this short intro.
Alignment is essential based on measuring accurately the position of motor and pump shafts at 2 point or more. Various devices are available for measuring alignment offsets. The filler gauges, calipers, dial indicator and laser alignment tools. Those are devices mentioned used for alignment, but for today's video we will use laser alignment tools for pump shaft alignment. The objective of optimized shaft alignment is to increase the operating lifespan of rotating machinery. To achieve this goal, components that are the most likely to fail must be made to operate within their acceptable design limits. Anyway, this pump is under maintenance for coupling rubber replacement, but needed to be realignment. When properly aligned with the driver, the pump shaft reduces these vibrations. For this reason, precision alignment with tight tolerance is necessary to extend bearing's life and every unnecessary failure. Alignment tolerance is the maximum allowable deviation from the ideal alignment condition between two shafts. It depends on the types, size, and speed of the coupling as well as the operating conditions and load. How to do pump alignment. With the motor and pump shaft flange close to each other, but disconnected, mark a spot on each shaft, then measure the separation between them with a feller or tape gauge. Rotate both shafts by about 90 degrees, keeping the marks close to each other and measure the separation distance. The tolerance for shaft alignment. Acceptable precision shaft alignment tolerance for 1800 RPM are 0.7 mils thus 1 inches angular and 4.0 mils offsets. The maximum alignment for pump motor is within a maximum of 0.05 mm. However, in the case of high-speed pump operation, it may be necessary to restrict to 0.02 mm in all directions. If shaft is incorrect alignment or imbalance, leveling shims are installed at the base of mating component to assure perfect alignment of two assemblies. This is essential to prevent any angular misalignment between rotating components which could cause premature failure. How to calculate a shim step. Place these shims between the underside of foot and any shims already present for the alignment of machine as evenly as possible. To calculate the ideal shim thickness, measure the largest air gap with an inside micrometer and divide this gap by 5. To check shaft accurate alignment, clamp dial indicator onto the shaft of motor, then run the measuring pin on the coupling on the pump. Rotate the motor, then pin will move up and down showing where the high and low areas are both planes. To find out the result of shaft alignment is correct, it will shown on laser shaft analysis. Laser shaft alignment system can accurately calculate the degree to which a coupling may be offset and allows for accurate measure of remedy to get it along an even plane. Not only relayed on laser shaft analysis result shown on monitoring screen, you can also check through visual alignment and hold pump to feel the vibration.
Uy mga kasabayan, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the notification icon so that you'll be updated for my next video. Till here, gracias, adios.